Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot debate, ClickUp versus Notion. Which one should you actually use? Whether you're managing personal projects, team workflows, or just love staying organized, I'll break down the features, collaboration tools, AI capabilities, and pricing so you can make the right choice. Quick disclaimer, I may share some affiliate links in the description, but I promise to give you an honest comparison. What is ClickUp? Let's start with ClickUp. Think of it as an all-in-one work hub. You get tasks, docs, time tracking, automation, and even AI built right in. Its native doc editor is perfect for project-centric documentation with easy tagging, headers, and linking tasks to your docs. Collaboration is seamless with in-app chat, video, real-time comments, and tagging. And if AI is your thing, ClickUp AI can generate tasks, summarize content, translate, or even help with marketing, all for $7 per user per month. What is Notion? On the other hand, Notion is more of a flexible, block-based workspace. It's amazing for notes, wikis, and customizable layouts. While it shines for organizing information in a visual, highly flexible way, it's less structured for project-centric docs. Collaboration is solid but simpler. Comments, reminders, and permission locks, though for chat or video, you'll need external tools. Notion AI focuses on rewriting, simplifying, and summarizing text, costing around $10 per user per month, plus $8 for the AI add-on. Pricing and final thoughts. When it comes to cost, ClickUp gives you a robust free plan with unlimited tasks and 100 megabyte storage, while Notion's free tier is more limited. Pay tiers scale from $7 to $12 for ClickUp and $10 to $15 for Notion with AI add-ons extra. So what's the verdict? If you want structured project management with strong collaboration and AI capabilities, ClickUp wins. But if your focus is on flexible document management, wikis, and creative layouts, Notion is a solid choice. That's it for today. Drop a comment and let me know which one you prefer, ClickUp or Notion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss more 2025 productivity comparisons. Thanks for watching.